Hi friends, today I have made an drawing drawing of a lock using binary language. I'll show you. It's a lock. Yeah, this is a lock. I have used binary language. I first wanted to make a black. Just I want white look is easy for me. This is a lock. Where the key you put handle black inside, black outside. The white color. Then these are the codes which I use 0, 0, you know, right? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and these are the codes. If you write properly, I think you can make this. Not only your, you can make many other things like what is it? Square, triangle, anything you can make. And that's all for today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe. Bye, and see you in the next video.